You love to travel, but do you love to pack for travel? I'm Sheila, I'm a personal stylist, and I help women find the best styles to suit their coloring, their personality, and their body shape so they can dress well with ease. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every Tuesday when I upload a new video. I know, traveling is lots of fun, but when it comes to packing, that's another story. So today I'm going to talk about what to wear while you're traveling so you're comfortable, and what to pack so you'll always have something to wear, something suitable and something that you love to wear. So first I'm going to talk about what to wear while you're traveling, whether it's on a plane or a car, to stay comfortable and to make the best of your experience. And then I'm going to show you how to put together a travel capsule wardrobe so it'll be easier not only to travel because you'll have less to carry, but also you'll always have something to wear. Before you start to pack, there are a few things you need to consider. And first is your travel destination and the weather. In order to pack the right clothes, you need to know what the weather is. And what I suggest is you look up what the temperature is going to be while you're there. Because if you get the temperature wrong, you will take the wrong clothes. So for example, I traveled to San Francisco a few years ago. I didn't do any research on the temperature. I just assumed it's California, it's hot, it's July, it's hot. Well, I was there for 2 or 3 days and it was not hot. So that meant that I had dresses with me that I wanted to wear but I couldn't wear because it was too cold, and I ended up wearing pretty much the same thing over and over because I didn't have clothes for cooler weather. So even though you think you might know what the temperature is, make sure you know and look for a few days ahead to see what it will be while you're there. Another thing to take into consideration is how long are you going to be there? Maybe it's just going to be for a couple of days, maybe it's for a week, or maybe it's for 2 weeks. Depending on the length of time, that will make a difference in what you take with you. The third thing you want to consider is the type of travel. So depending on where you go, you're going to take different clothes. So if you go to a resort, it's different than going on a business trip or going on a cruise. So you'll need to consider what type of clothes you're going to take, where you're going. Also, what you'll be doing there. If it's a vacation, more than likely you're going to need shoes that you can walk in because you're going to have a lot of places to walk. The last thing you want to have is sore feet. Some of the common problems are taking too much, and there's nothing worse than coming back from your vacation and realizing you had 2 or 3 things or 4 that you never wore. It's better when you come back and you know that you've worn everything that you have in your suitcase. The other problem is when you don't have what you need. So in order to avoid that, it's better to plan. So when you plan your outfits, which I'm going to show you, and when you plan what you need to take with you, then you won't have the problem of having too much or not having what you need. And you really have to be ready for every scenario. And sometimes there are scenarios you don't think about. So for example, if you're traveling during the winter, now I live in a climate where we get winter and it's really cold. So twice now that I've traveled south during the winter, there's been a snowstorm on when I came back, and I got stranded in a city where it's cold, and I didn't have any cold clothes. So once it was in New York in March, and I had all vacation clothes, so I had all clothes that are for warm weather. So what I had to do, go buy first walking shoes because I didn't have anything that was flat, and the second thing was I had to buy a winter coat. Now the last thing you want to do is shop for essentials like that when you're stranded. So I had to do that before I could enjoy my stranded time. And of course, time in New York is best put to use having fun. If you're someone who likes to take lots of clothes with you when you travel and you don't mind having that large suitcase, well, you have a lot more options. You can pack more things that you will love to wear. If you are someone who wants to take minimal, but still you want to have lots to wear, I'm going to show you now how to do that. So I'm going to show you what I would pack if I were going for 5 days, and this is going to be a travel, could be either by plane or by car, but first for 5 days. And during that 5 days, I'm going to be visiting family, I'm going to be sightseeing, I'm going to be going out for dinner, and so those are the types of clothes that I will pack for. So first, let me show you what I would wear. What you want to consider when you're traveling is something comfortable. You don't want to have something tight around your waist. So I always wear pants, and I wear soft jersey pants that don't wrinkle easily and that I can easily pack. Usually the outfit that I wear when I'm traveling is the same outfit I wear on the way back. So my travel outfit is my travel outfit. I don't wear it while I'm there. Although you could do that if you really want to pack less, you could make that travel outfit part of your capsule wardrobe. So I always wear something on the bottom that is dark. I don't wear anything light, but you could if you wanted to, in a nice flowy jersey material or something that doesn't wrinkle. If you like wearing jeans, you could wear jeans as well, or if you wanted to wear some stretchy pants, you could wear that. The main thing is something on the bottom that is neutral, it's dark, and is comfortable. The other thing is I always take a large tote. So when you have a large tote, you can put your clutch in it that you're going to use for your evening. You can put your jewelry in there if you want to, and you can also put extra makeup and toiletries in your purse. So in that bag, in your tote, you can have a lot of things that you want to have with you. And now I've learned that if I'm going to a warm country and I'm coming back to a cold one, I take a jacket that's going to be warm, that is easy to pack, so it's going to wrap easily, it's going to fold, it's not going to wrinkle, and it won't take up much room, but it will also be warm. I also make sure I take flats. I don't go anywhere without my flats anymore. Whether you're traveling in a plane or by car, I like to have shoes that are easily removed, so I wear flats for that as well. And it's also nice to have a scarf, because a scarf will keep you warm. You can always take it off, put it in your bag, but having that scarf with you gives you, it is actually another accessory to make your outfit look better, but it is functional because it will keep you warm. Now when it comes to the actual pieces, that's up to you, but I stick to neutrals in a material that doesn't wrinkle easily and that is very versatile. So now let's talk about that capsule wardrobe, the wardrobe that you'll be wearing while you're there on your vacation. First, I've chosen 2 outer garments, so a jacket that's casual and a jacket that's more dressy. I've chosen 3 bottoms, a black skirt, black pants, and jeans. This will help you be casual when you want to, or dress it up a little bit. And I've chosen 4 tops. The thing about tops is they're very lightweight, so you can have more than 1, 2, or 3. Choose a top that's going to blend with your wardrobe capsule, and that if you use color, make sure it's in your best color. And take 1 dress. So there's 1 dress you can use to dress up or dress down. This means that the dress can't be too dressy, it can't be chiffon or anything that's going to be really elegant. So it has to be in a material that's not really dressy but has a dressy look, so that way you can dress it up and dress it down. Also, the length has to be at the knee or just above the knee so you can wear flats with it. So to make your wardrobe interesting, use solid colors but use accessories to spice it up. So your accessories could be a printed scarf, it could be some really dazzling jewelry, maybe it's a handbag that has a print. So use your prints in your accessories. This way it'll be easier to mix and match. Now from this wardrobe capsule, I've made 3 outfits for evening using the blazer and also using the elegant pump. You can wear any type of pump. It might be a slim back, it could have any type of heel, as long as it looks elegant. Now I've also added a clutch that has a little bit of bling, and this is a clutch that you would have put in your tote, so it's an easier way to carry it. And also, to make this more of an evening look, you would use accessories, jewelry, that have that evening appeal. If you notice, these are all solids, just one color and the rest are neutral. So let's go sightseeing. For this, you want to have something comfortable on your feet, and make sure whatever you take with you in footwear is something that you've worn before. This is not a time to try new shoes. So you can wear your jeans, and the striped top makes it more casual. Also, you can wear your skirt, and when you wear a skirt with this striped top and sneakers, it makes it more casual. Now, if you don't like sneakers, you don't have to wear sneakers. You can wear a flat in a loafer, anything that you like. So this is where you would use your tote. Now, of course, you don't have so much stuff in it, so it's lighter, but this is where you use your tote. The tote makes it more casual. These outfits are for afternoon, and I just call it afternoon because it depends on what you'll be doing. But the main thing with these outfits is you won't be walking a lot, because I've added shoes that are not really walking shoes. So you might be seeing friends, you could be driving, whatever you're doing, you're not walking a lot. And it's up to you with your afternoon events, because they could be things I haven't thought of. Well, these are just a few outfits that I put together from this capsule. You could still create more outfits from this capsule. And just to make it different, you could change the dress, you can change the footwear. Any changes that you make will make the whole look different. So what I suggest is you use this capsule as a template, and then fit in the styles that you have and the clothes that you have. And maybe you might want to add a few different things, but use what you already have. And this is just a way to show you how they all can mix and match. Put in your personality, the styles that you like, and also consider your body shape. There's just so much to consider when you're traveling that you really need to bring it just down to the basics, your personality, where you're going, what you like to wear, and what it takes for you to be comfortable. I hope this video has helped you, and now you know what to pack. And if you have any friends who might be traveling, please share this video with them. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and keep on styling. And I'll see you next week.